This isn't necessarily a bad thing if you are a first-time vitamin C user, or if you have sensitive skin or rosacea-prone skin. I actually recommend for those skin types to start more with a gentle product, an easier to tolerate product like this one. So I think this is a great option for those scenarios. It does not contain ferulic acid, which would even further boost the stability and efficacy, but that's really it. So overall, I do recommend this product. It is a really solid vitamin C option in this price range. Again, I especially recommend it for first-time vitamin C users to get your skin used to this ingredient. From there, you can graduate to a higher strength product if you wish, or you can just continue to reuse this product if you are happy with it and it's giving you good results without side effects. I think it's totally acceptable to use this long term. And my reminder to you, more expensive vitamin C products are not always better. So do not fall into the trap of feeling like you need to spend hundreds of dollars on a product for it to be effective. I say this time and time again, the skincare industry is so not transparent. So it's very hard for us as the consumer to know the true efficacy of many of these products. It has us wondering, is the $200 vitamin C serum really better than this $15 one? You really cannot answer this question by looking at the price or the company that makes it or the ingredient list or just the concentration of vitamin C. None of that will answer that question for you. The only way to definitively answer that is for a head-to-head, well-crafted scientific study with a very large sample size of patients. And to my knowledge, a study like this doesn't exist. So we are really just left to our best judgment about which products are best. And at the end of the day, it's not one size fits all anyway. Skincare is such a unique and personalized issue. So what works best for one person doesn't always translate to somebody else's unique skin. And as a dermatologist, I know that skincare in a large part is just trial and error. Of course, we use science and expert opinion to really direct us as best as possible to picking products that are most likely suited for our skin or clear our skin problems. And from there, we can adjust our products and our routines until we really perfect our results. Anyways, I am linking this specific product below, as well as some of my other favorite skincare products that pair really nicely with this. I love vitamin C in skincare routines. In addition to this one, I have been trying out several other vitamin C serums, which I will discuss more in depth soon, maybe in another YouTube video, but I will definitely be talking about these over on my Instagram account at The Budget Dermatologist. So make sure you follow me over there to hear me talk more about this topic, hear more about daily tips on a variety of other topics, behind the scenes of my life as a dermatologist, and my use of different products. So come say hi. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate you all for watching and engaging with me, giving feedback and commenting and giving me so much inspiration for how to continue to perfect this content so that it can be most helpful and resourceful for all of you guys. That is really my goal here, but please just remember that none of this is medical advice. So check out my full disclaimer in the description below. This is just for fun, you guys. So ask your own doctor about these products and if they are right for you. So thank you guys for following along and giving me this platform to spread my message and my mission to help all of